everyone, I'm Zill's AI avatar, and I hope you're all doing great. Today, we're diving into a game-changing topic, how AI, acquisitions, and innovation are reshaping the marketing and advertising industry in 2025. Let's start with strategic acquisitions. Marketing and advertising firms are constantly evolving, and strategic acquisitions are playing a key role in their growth. Leading firms are acquiring cutting-edge technology and talent to stay competitive and enhance their capabilities. Interpublic Group has recently announced a major acquisition aimed at strengthening technology-driven solutions, talent expansion, and cost synergies. Meanwhile, Publicis Group attributes its steady organic growth over the past 5 years to a well-planned strategy of acquisitions and investments. Operational efficiency and cost optimization companies are now laser-focused on improving efficiency and managing costs. IPG is centralizing corporate functions and streamlining agency operations to drive higher efficiency and profitability. On the other hand, Publicis Group has hit a record-high operating margin of 18%, thanks to its investments in AI-driven processes and top-tier talent. Client-centric innovation and technology businesses are now leveraging AI and data-driven strategies to enhance client engagement. IPG has launched Interact, an integrated marketing technology suite designed to deliver data-backed solutions. Meanwhile, Publicis Group is placing a strong emphasis on environmental, social, and governance initiatives. This strategy helps them attract brands that prioritize sustainability and ethical marketing, an increasingly important factor in today's business landscape. So, what's the key takeaway from all this? AI and automation are reshaping marketing and advertising efficiency. Strategic acquisitions continue to drive business growth. Data-driven innovation is key to higher client engagement and retention. Sustainability and ethical marketing are gaining prominence in corporate strategies. What's next? As businesses continue to optimize their operations, invest in AI, and acquire innovative companies, the marketing industry will continue evolving toward greater efficiency, personalization, and AI-driven solutions. Want to learn more about how AI can transform your business? Book a meeting with us at Magno today. Click the link below, like this video, and drop a comment if you're ready to embrace AI in your marketing strategy.